Hi Shilpa,
Hi, Zishan. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Are you all set to go inside the Big Boss house?
I'm really excited. I can't wait to go into the Big Boss house and take all my explosive energy in there with me.
All right. Have you, been viewing the past few seasons? Are you a fan of the show?
I am a big fan of the show, but I haven't been able to keep up with the show 100% because of my work and everything. So I come back very exhausted, and by the time I come back, telecast हो जाता है और repeat तक जागने का दम नहीं रहता है मेरे में, तो मैं सो जाता हूँ. तो but I always watch it on boot. जो जो important चीजें हैं, जो जो चीजें हुई है, which are like full of masala and almost forward कर करके देखता रहता हूँ. तो I have kept up here and there, but not 100%.
Who's been your favorite contestant from the past ones or even the winners?
I think Gautam Gulati, because the thing that I liked about him is लोग उसको बोलते थे "अबे पागल है ये है वो है this that." And what was impressive about that guy is that he owned up to it. He's like, हाँ मैं हूँ पागल. So I really like that attitude because once you own up to what you are, no one can use that as a weapon against you. And I really like that attitude. So I was like, and what happened? He won. So
What are you going to own up to being? Are
uh
you pagal anything more, anything less?
sorry.
Are you also pagal anything more, anything less?
I am a little pagal. I like to do things that excite me. That give me this sort of adrenaline rush. And what I believe in and I encourage other people to do is don't follow the norms that society has put up for you. Question those norms. As long as you aren't doing anything wrong, you aren't hurting anyone, and you're not hurting anyone's feelings. As long as you're not doing these three things, question the norms because no one has ever achieved anything great without questioning the norms. Like we wouldn't know about gravity if Isaac Newton did not question why an apple fell down from the tree. If he didn't question that, we wouldn't know about gravity. So everything has started with a question, and you should question. Do not follow people like cattle or sheep. Okay, be the wolf. Be the one who makes his own path. If everyone is going right, go left. See what left has in store for you because you might just hit a gold mine and you
And I
will
think
follow
you practice what you preach because you definitely went against the norm of dress code, at least when you tried to catch a flight in a bathrobe. Are we going to be seeing you doing some more bathrobe stunts in the house?
yes you will because see I've already done a white bathrobe, I've already done a panda suit. So what I will give you, a small hint I will give you is this time it won't be bathrobe, it will be bathrobes.
Oh, wow. Okay, there's a collection happening there, I see. The theme of this season is over the top, at least the OTT one is
Right.
over the top. So, how much do you think you fit that description?
Completely. Because the reason why I started my vlogs is I wanted people to see that, unlike other actors, who have this certain set, notion that, okay, I'm an actor, I have to be like this, I'm a doctor, I have to be like this, I'm a businessman, I have to be like this. I am someone who thinks that you can be someone who is crazy, who loves having fun, who loves doing things that excite him, who loves doing crazy things and still be an actor, doctor, or businessman. So I am someone who believes in doing things differently, and yeah, this is what I want to continue with. So
Karan Johar is going to be hosting the OTT season. Are you a fan of his films? How much are you looking forward to it? Are you scared at all?
I am a little nervous because obviously it's Karan Johar. But for me, I'm really excited because this is like three dreams come true. Being a part of Big Boss, meeting Karan Johar, meeting Salman Khan, and the fourth one being lifting the trophy. So actually, four dreams come true. So yeah, so I'm pretty excited, yeah, because obviously, like this is such a big opportunity, and with Karan sir hosting the season, I have this small story that I will share with him when I get the opportunity inside because it's a story that he is a part of, and it has motivated me to work hard and reach to this place where I have reached now. So he doesn't know about it, but I will tell him when I get the opportunity inside the
Okay,
house.
I'm looking forward to that story too. What about Salman Khan? Have you met him before? And you have to be very careful because either he'll be your best friend or like your worst enemy. So you're going to be careful to get into his good books, right?
Yeah, yeah, and I see. For me, the way I go is the harder you try to impress someone, the more things don't work out for you. So I believe that be yourself, and hopefully, if Salman sir likes me, all good. If he doesn't, well, bye bye, guys.
So is that going to be your strategy? You're just going to be yourself, or do you have some other like tricks up your sleeve that you're not telling us?
No, I'm gonna be myself because I have full faith in myself as an entertainer. Because name one person who's doing things like me, who's taking risks like me. You cannot. There is no one in the house or outside that who's doing things like me. So I have full faith in myself as an entertainer. I know that I can hold my own in a conversation, and I can hold my own in the house. So I have nothing to be worried about. And I also know that people are going to underestimate me, because I'm not going to do that stupidity of underestimating other contestants. But because of the whole thing, the things that I do, the whole bathrobe thing and all, people are going to underestimate me and go like, अच्छा हाँ, इसने तो bathrobe के वजह से आया है, क्या है. So ठीक है, I want them to underestimate it, because when I lift that trophy up, I'm going to look them dead in the eye and go like, बैक बेंच वाले लड़के आए फ्रंट पेज में.
I wonder if after all the months, at the end, you're going to keep up this energy.
I will, I will. There till now, like last night, my promo came out, and I haven't, I couldn't sleep the entire night. I was so excited. I slept at around 6:30 in the morning, woke up at around 9:10 for my COVID test. So I've hardly got like 4 hours of sleep or something of that sort. And I have been at it with this energy since morning. So nothing can stop me,
Yeah.
because once my eyes are open, I can go through the day with I'll drink a lot of coffee, and I can go through the day with this sort of energy, because I feel like once you're up, make the most of it. I don't have even a second to lose.
Being in the house, there's one very important aspect. Do you do household chores? How good are you at them? Oops. Any cooking?
so
Any
so
culinary skills?
so because I live alone, I am used to doing household chores, and like cleaning and all of that. I take care of everything on my own. I am not such a good cook. But I can make eggs. I can make rice, like chutta jo hum chawal banate hai. I can make that. And curries and all I cannot, because most of my curries have Szechuan sauce in it. तो मेरे लिए वो करी बन जाती है. But I'm hoping I will assist someone and become their sous chef, so that I can learn how to cook. And in that way I would skip all the cleaning part, because Big Boss का घर बहुत बड़ा है यार. अगर मैं सुबह से झाड़ू और पोछा मारने लगूंगा तो I think लाइट बंद होने तक मारते ही रहूंगा.
Oh, you really thought this through. Yeah. So you are going to be trying to avoid getting into the cleaning crew, and
Yeah.
you are going to be a sous chef. All right. That's going to be the task that you're looking for. Okay. And what about when it comes to the tasks? Do you think you're going to be winning them? Are you good at like sports and all the other games that Big Boss introduces?
I have always been good at sports. I have won medals in football. I was always into athletics.
These sports are not so straightforward. They're quite teda. You have to jump through a few hoops. Yeah.
I bring it on, bring it on. I will ace it all, because these are the things I live for. Yeah, like even if you watch my vlogs and everything, the things I do are crazy. The things I do are fun, are exciting. So I am always up for that.
You are your own big boss. You give yourself tasks and you do them.
Of course, exactly. So I'm excited to see what Big Boss has. कि ऐसा क्या है जो मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ. मैं भी देखना चाहता हूँ Big Boss के पास ऐसा क्या है जो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So that's the thing. I am sorry.
If you think I'm going to be talking to you after 3 months, imagine we're at the end of the show. Do you think I'll be asking you,
6 months.
You were such an obedient contestant, you did all the tasks so well, or am I going to be asking you, oh my God, you were the most controversial one in there. How did you survive? Which one do you think you're going to be?
You're gonna ask. First of all, you're gonna tell me that damn, I love the game you're playing. I really love how you are as a person. And in spite of the fact that you have been a part of every major controversy, you haven't been a bad person. You're a good person. So yeah, that's what you're gonna say.
That's a
And when I
tall
lift the
order.
trophy, I'll be like, "Yo, Shilpa, I told you."
That's a tall order. You're going to be part of controversies, but you're going to come out looking like the good guy. Everybody is going to like you, and you're going to win it. You've set
Yes,
yourself some very lofty goals there. I wish you all the best with all of them.
thank you
And,
so much.
rest up before you go into the house. I'll be watching for your entry.
Yes, please do, and please vote for me because every vote counts.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Disha.
Thank you
All
so
the best.
much. It was so nice talking to you. Thank you.
Lovely talking to you. Take care.
See
Bye.
you. Bye bye.